What's going on, guys? Hope everyone is having a awesome and a wonderful day. My name is Sanjeev, and on this video, I wanted to share with you a few of the things that I've been seeing on a daily, continuous basis, and that's what I wanted to bring to you is a done-for-you affiliate marketing business, right? You might be thinking of starting any affiliate marketing business, and you might be looking at different offers, different companies offering you the done for you service, and that's what I'll be bringing you in this video. And make sure you stay till the end because I'll give you a awesome bonus, right? So let's get into the video. Okay, so done for you service, what it is the affiliate marketing company literally does everything for you, right? A to Z. And they also send you emails for you. And what you have to do for this particular thing, all you're doing is just driving traffic into the funnel, right? And if you know how to drive funnel traffic into your funnel, that's a good advantage for you. But if you don't know how to be sending quality people into your funnel, you're not gonna become successful. And even though you're doing like 2% or 5% of the work, that's the most hardest thing in the online space, especially in the affiliate marketing business, right? And this is the issue that I see with a done for you service, right? So not learning skills required to succeed. So to actually succeed in the affiliate marketing business, you need to know how to actually do all these things, right? You need to learn how to drive traffic into your funnel. You should learn how to craft a offer or build a funnel, right? So you need to do all those things. So in case something happens, you have the skill set to be able to go out there and earn income, right? And even though a company might get out of the business, right? I've seen a lot of company who's actually coming in the business, and 2 or 3 years after, they are not actually doing the business because they have lost everything. They have lost clients. They have changed their compensation plans, and I'm seeing this on a daily basis, right? So learning a skill is really valuable for you to become successful, especially in the affiliate marketing business, right? So that's number one. Number two thing is spoon feeding everything, and cost to get started will always be high because the company actually does everything for you. Initial cost to actually get started might be a lot higher to whatever. If you learn the skills yourself, it might be a lot cheaper in the beginning, and once you start learning these skills, you can always upgrade your knowledge and skills and just to get to the level. But most of the time people actually want to skip the steps. They don't want to learn anything. They're just looking for quick money, right? So that's where people actually fail, is they're looking for a company that can actually spoon feed them. I'm not being rude or anything, but that's how it is. Like, people, they don't like to learn new skills, which is, I think personally, learning any skills is super valuable if you want to succeed in the online space, right? So number three is sending leads to company directly, and to build a list, right? So if you are actually sending your people to your link and affiliate products that you're promoting, you're not sending people to your opt-in funnels, right? And you're sending clicks to directly to companies. The company is actually building up the list, which you actually paid money from your pocket, and the company on the other side is collecting all these leads, right? But here's what I see the problem with this is you not actually collecting your emails, the emails that the people who actually coming to your funnel. You need to be collecting all the people that actually coming into your funnel, right? So that way you can actually follow up. So that's very important, and I see this on a daily basis. People who actually post on Facebook or all these social media platforms, they are sending people directly to companies opt-in page. They're not actually designing their own opt-in page, which is they're losing a ton of money, right? We need to be sending all these people into our own funnel, into our own system, so that way we can follow with them, right? So this is very important. A done for you system, emails might be landing on people's spam folder, right? This is another big issue that I see when a company sends out an email, right? It lands on the spam folder, and if it lands on a promotion tab, if it lands on a junks or spam folder, people, they don't go in there to click the link, right? People always check their inbox, and the primary tab in Gmail, right? So this is a huge issue that I see, that companies' email might be landing on other people's spam or promotion tab, because you haven't learned the skill to be able to, how can you actually send those people the email from your actual funnel, right? And how you can actually send the people into your own way that you're sending email using GetResponse or Aweber, and you can track, right, how many emails are landing in the inbox and also in the promotion tab, right? But if you also want to learn how I actually use this, and I can be rest assured 99% of the time that every email that I send to a prospect or client or lead that comes in my funnel, it lands on people's primary tab and also the inbox, right? So if you want to know how I actually do that, right, it's a little trick. I'll leave a link in the description, so click the first link and you'll understand like the how I actually craft the email and how I test my emails so it always lands on people's inbox and also the primary tab, right? Sorry about that. This is a big issue that I see. Leaders in the industry are succeeding with it, right? With whatever company, the done for you company, and you being a complete beginner, it might take you a long time to build up your audience, right? The person, the leader who you actually seeing, they might have a huge audience, right? And it's easy for them to promote any companies, right? Perfect example I see is My Traffic Powerline. There's like a lot of leaders doing it because they already have a huge following, and complete beginner, when they start, they actually not they don't understand the skills required to succeed. That's the reason you might be failing, because big leaders who are actually in the industry, who've been doing it for like 20-30 years, they already have an email list of 150 or 200,000 people in their email list, so it's easy for them to get sales, rather than you coming as a complete beginner and you not have any skills. And that's the reason you might not be able to see that results, or it says also the success, right? Let me scroll down and you'll see there's a huge list that I actually made, right? And this is the last one. And on the screen, it might be popping up a step-by-step training that I did for you to understand how affiliate marketing works and how you can actually learn these skills, which is super valuable. I think every affiliates out there need to learn this skill set for them to start making money. And if you skip this step, if you skip these critical steps, it's going to be very hard for you to get success, right? So click on the link on the video and watch my free training, which I did. It's completely free. You don't have to pay anything, right? So make sure you click on that, and that way I can share with you what I do and how I actually get results. Like when I first started, I didn't have any skills, right? And I had to learn these skills, right? So that's the reason I wanted to give these skills to you so you can use and start making money today. So again, thank you so much. My name is Sanjeev, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye for now.